Hey everyone, today I'm going to uncover the mystery of food chains. So we all have our favorite foods, right? Whether it's a cheesy slice of pizza, a juicy apple, a piece of roasted chicken, or a bowl of cereal. But eating is not just about taste, it's about getting energy. We need energy to run, play, study, and even laugh with friends. And guess what? Every living thing on Earth, like rabbits, beetles, fish, and trees, needs energy to survive too. But where does all this energy come from, and how does it move from one living thing to another? Energy gets passed along as organisms eat each other. This process is called a food chain. We humans get our energy from animals and plants. And did you know that plants can make their own food? They use sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil through photosynthesis. Since plants make their own food, we call them producers. Then there are animals that eat plants, like deer. These are called herbivores, or primary consumers. And when a carnivore, like a lion, eats the herbivore, it's called a secondary consumer. So here's a simple food chain. Plants, producers; herbivores, primary consumers; carnivores, secondary consumers. But wait, there's more. When animals die, special organisms called decomposers, like bacteria and fungi, break down their bodies and return nutrients to the soil, which the plants use again. Here's an example. Grasshoppers eat grass, frogs eat the grasshoppers, snakes eat the frogs, hawks eat the snakes, and when the hawk dies, decomposers break it down and return nutrients to the soil, helping the grass grow once more. That's a simple food chain, with a producer, a primary consumer, a secondary consumer, and decomposers. But in nature, things aren't always that simple. Sometimes one animal can be part of many food chains at once. For example, grass can be eaten by a rabbit or a grasshopper, a mouse can be eaten by both a snake and an owl, and a snake can be eaten by an eagle or a wildcat. When many food chains are connected like that, we call it a food web, a network of food chains that shows how energy and nutrients move through an ecosystem. Now that you know all about food chains and food webs, can you draw one to show your friends? Thanks for watching. Keep learning with us to discover more amazing things about science.